I gotta tell you, one of my biggest pet peeves is when people cannot make decisions. As a founder or CEO, the ability to make timely yet informed decisions is one of the most critical skills that you can develop. In the fast-paced world of growing a company, opportunities and challenges arise quickly, and how you respond can determine the trajectory of your company. Hi everyone, I'm Trish Meyer. I'm the founder and managing attorney at Meyer Law. I've helped thousands of companies, and I'm here to help you too. The most successful leaders understand the importance of balancing speed with insight, making decisions that are both prompt and well considered. In the early stages of running a business, every moment counts. Market conditions change rapidly, competitors move quickly, and customer preferences change. So if you hesitate too long, you may miss out on key opportunities or fall behind. Being able to make prompt decisions allows you to capitalize on these opportunities before they slip away and to navigate challenges before they become insurmountable. Timely decision making is also crucial for maintaining momentum within your team. When your employees see that decisions are being made efficiently, they are more likely to stay engaged and motivated. Delays in decision making can lead to frustration, uncertainty, and a loss of focus, which can negatively impact productivity and morale. While promptness is important, it's equally critical that your decisions are informed. Acting too quickly without sufficient information or consideration can lead to poor choices that might harm your business. As a leader, it's your responsibility to strike the right balance between making decisions quickly and ensuring that they're based on solid data and analysis. One way to achieving this balance is by developing a strong decision-making framework. This framework should include a clear understanding of your business goals, key metrics, and the potential risks and rewards associated with different options. By having a structured approach, you can quickly evaluate your choices and make decisions that are aligned with your overall strategy. Another key to timely informed decision making is knowing when to delegate. By empowering your team to make decisions, you free yourself to focus on the most critical issues and ensure that decisions are made quickly. It's also important to foster a culture of accountability and learning within your company. Encourage your team to make informed decisions, but also to take responsibility for their outcomes. When mistakes happen, and they will, use them as opportunities to learn and improve. This approach not only builds confidence in decision making, but also ensures that your business continually evolves and adapts. As a founder or CEO, you must also accept that not every decision will have a clear-cut answer. In many cases, you'll need to make decisions with incomplete information or situations where the outcome is uncertain. The ability to act decisively in the face of uncertainty is essential to effective leadership. To navigate uncertainty, you want to rely on your experience, your intuition, and the insights of your team. Be prepared to pivot or adjust your course as new information becomes available. But don't let the fear of making the wrong decision paralyze you. Often it's better to make a decision and move forward than to delay indefinitely in the search of a perfect solution. In the dynamic world of entrepreneurship, the ability to make timely yet informed decisions is crucial for success. As a founder or CEO, you must balance the need for prompt action with the need for careful consideration, trusting your team, and embracing uncertainty. By developing strong decision-making framework, delegating effectively, and staying adaptable, you can lead your business with confidence and agility, ensuring that you seize opportunities and overcome challenges as they arise. Remember, in business, time is often your most valuable resource. Use it wisely. As always, if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.